back to the Unbiased Review. Today we're gonna talk about Full Crystal Reviews website. Let's check, is it a legit or a scam to purchase? This is the home screen of the website, which shows cleaning windows, screen and the glass at the same time. You can also check this video of how this product is to be used. You can also check the benefits and the feature of the product on the home screen page. Now moving to the other navigation, let's check the return policy. As per the return concern thing, they had mentioned 30 days money back guarantee on their product. Please include your complete name, address, date, time, telephone number, email address inside the return package when returning your item. They had also mentioned the address to make your return request possible. They had also mentioned all return must be mailed within 10 days of receiving a return authorization. You can also check the shipping policy. This product will be shipped within 4 to 6 weeks from the time the order is proceed. As per the security policy concern, your payment and personal information is always safe. So this site has mentioned the authentic information on this page. You can check it out before making your purchase happen. Let's check the order safety. Online shopping is safe with Full Crystal. They had mentioned the tagline. You can check this URL they had mentioned in the below line. Now moving to the privacy policy. As per the privacy concern thing, for each visitor to our web page and web service automatically recognize only the customer domain name, but not the email address Full Crystal. They had mentioned some of the privacy concern information on this page. You can check it out. Now moving to the terms and conditions. They had mentioned the resolution of claim or disputes, limitation of legal remedies, arbitration procedures. There are many authentic acts and the laws information on this page. You can check it out. Now moving to the primary concern thing, that is contact us page. In the contact us page, you can check it out. They had mentioned their customer service hour from Monday to Friday 8:30 AM to 5 PM. For further inquiry, they had mentioned the email address orderstatus@sasgroup.com. Now order now, we can check it out. In this order now section, you can check on the home screen. You can go and click to the order now button to make your purchase possible. Now moving to the conclusion, as it has a 3.5 star rating according to the customer reviews, which seems this website is a legit to purchase. So I will recommend you to make your purchase possible with this website. And if you like this video or find this video informative, kindly give a like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you want a legit and a scam videos like this, you can hit the bell icon given below, and please share your experience in the given comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.